And good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. Getting right back into it, I have a nice Yale lock that was sent to me by, I think, Average Picker. Um, this is the bidding on it. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. And I'm going to see if I can force my way into this. Picked it just a minute ago in less than 4 minutes. But the camera's on now. Let's see what we got here. It is locked. Okay. That was a click on one. Click on two. All right, that was three. That was three again. That was four. And that was a good five. Oh, please don't do that. Start from the beginning again. Nice click on one. You click on two. That is number three. Lighten up on my tension a little bit. I was using moderate tension. Just going to go a little bit less than moderate. That was 4 and 5. I think I got something. Hey, and I think I got it open. Let's just take a good quick look. And I am open. Mazel tov, beautiful, great, wonderful, hallelujah. Yeah. I'm gonna take my shimmy shim here. I gotta remember how to do this. It's been a while, guys. Okay, I got that. My lock's going down here. Hope you can see it. And get my pinning tray. Let me just lower it just a little bit. Got my nice comfy pillow. Yeah, this was sent to me by, like I said, Mr. Kline. Thank you, buddy. Thank you very much. Took me a minute to realize I won the lock toss contest. But yeah. Okay. And now we're going to go with Mr. Screwdriver here. Boy, I hate flatheads. That was no problem. Second one. No problem. Okay, good, flathead. Put this down. I got a key. I don't need to lock it up. Just need a follower. Don't need a shim. Yeah, I guess I will shim it. Very, very tight. I don't know if I'm going to get a shim in here. Okay, there we go. I think that's good. No problems. Okay, number 1. Standard. Number 2 is standard with a wafer on it. I'll switch that around 1 second. Number 3 is a standard. Number 4, whoa, almost lost it, is a standard. Number 5, another one, standard with a wafer on it. And number 6, a standard. There is, get my tool out, move my shot glass. As you can see, everything is clean. Clean, 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 no threads, no nothing. Let me just arrange this real quick. Okay. I think that's good. So says my short eyeballs. Okay, let's get this out of there. Where's the shim? There's the shim. All right. Number 1, just a standard pin. You get a copper spring. Number 2, just a standard, and another copper spring. I'm going to be turning this baby into a challenge lock. You can count on that. Okay. Number 3 came up. There you are. Just another standard. 4. Another standard. A copper spring. Go for the rear. That's what she said. Please, please, not the rear. Oh my God. Okay. We got a standard with a wafer. Deplane, boss, deplane. Okay, and the last one again, we have a standard copper, whoop, 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 copper spring. Let's see if I didn't miss anything. It was a bunch of wafers. I learned myself on wafers. They don't do no good as far as when it comes to my challenge locks. Can't find my, here we are. A little green friend. Come on. Come on. Alright, well, oh, just what I'm going to give up. See in there, there is nothing done to the inside at all. Bible, yeah. Bible, yeah. Core, yeah. Alright. Yeah, nothing done to it. All stock. And let me give you a close-up of what I got here. Turn my little green friend off. Make sure these are all set right. Okay. Don't turn off. Don't turn off. Alright. This is what we got. Try to keep out of this shadow here. Got all standards in the bottom key pins. Number 2's got a wafer on it. Number 5 has got a wafer on it. And the 6th one is upside down, as you can see. But just standard, nothing important. On the top, we have just a tiny standard pin. Second one is just one above that, just a standard pin. 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 standard with a wafer on it, and the 6th one is a standard. And we got all copper springs. Not too difficult at all with this lock, but he who gets it next, beware. Thumper's pins are going in there. Alright, brothers and sisters, thank you very much. Doing my best to keep my spirits up. That's all I got for you today. Please, let's not set a bad example for our sport. Don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. This is just too much fun to spoil it, guys. Everybody be safe, be legal. I'm gone. Thank you.